Good morning, friends. Welcome to English Champ. My name is Mr. Vikas Dhasmana, and today I'm here to tell you something about importance of English. Well, we have an institute by the name of English Champ, and we have very big institute at Karanpur. We have different branches of English Champ in other areas also in Dehradun. Friends, in this session of 5 minutes, I am going to tell you the importance of English. Well, at present time, English is a very important language because it has become an international language these days. 70% of the business all over the world is carried out in English, which shows that without English we can't progress ahead. Now, if we talk about our country, so in our country where there are many languages spoken, we don't have a single language. We have multi languages, multicultural. So there we don't speak Hindi. We speak Hindi only in northern part of our country. But if we move to east part of the country, if we move to our south part of the country, so we are not able to speak Hindi with them. So we face a lot of problem. So if we talk about India, especially India, so in context of India, English is the most important language. In comparison to other countries, English is required more in India, because if we talk about China, suppose let us take the example of China. In China, every person speaks Mandarin Chinese. In Japan, everyone speaks Japanese. In France, everyone speaks French. But when it comes to India, we speak different languages and dialects, and that's why we are not able to communicate with people. So in my opinion, if you want to communicate with every Indian, and if you want to establish good relations with every country mate, so we should speak one language, and that language can be only English, because we can't teach Hindi to Tamil, we can't teach Hindi to any eastern part of state person. So we can't teach Hindi to any Malayalam person. So because that person will also go abroad, so he will speak English here. So automatically he will go for English. So my friends, this is my appeal to you, that you should learn English, because without English you will not be able to communicate with Indians. So, and this is an era of globalization. So in this era, we have to communicate with other country people, but before that we have to communicate with our country people. So I think without English there is no progress, there is no development. So I support English, and I wish to every English Champ student that he or she may speak a very good English in future, and best of luck for all the students. Thank you.